Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2024 Ford Ranger XLT. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 2.7-liter EcoBoost engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with the Sport Appearance Package and the FX4 Off-Road Package. Taking a look at the back here, you got your tow hitch, rear park setting, backup camera. We do get a soft rolling tunnel cover with this vehicle, mud flaps on the rear, and front gripped running boards. We have window deflectors, blind spot detection, turn light indicated mirrors as well. And moving to the front here, we got that lovely block heater, license plate bracket, recovery hooks, and that nice Ford Grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does seat 2.5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black and gray cloth interior. It's also textured. Plenty of door space in the back as well, powered windows, got floor mats, carpet interior, got some storage, USB, USB-C, and 120 volts. And of course you do get the capabilities of folding this down for cup holders and arm space. And we do get a bench seat that does fold up for more storage underneath. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a powered driver's seat as well as a powered passenger seat, same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, powered mirrors, lights, hood, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer sitting at 18,854 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking here, we do get a digital speedometer, my view, trip and feel, off-road, towing, audio, phone, navigation, settings, and vehicle maintenance. To my right here, we got our gear select, parking brake, traction, auto stop, auto start, drive, or trail control. We do got drive modes, four-wheel drive, cup holders, some storage, wireless charging with some outlets. We do get your center console here as well with tons of storage and a 12-volt. Your basic climate controls with dual climate up front. You got your hazards, storage below, storage above. We do get this nice powered rear window opener. And looking at our main screen here, here's your train control. You got your rear locking diff and trail. Looking at our main screen here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and SiriusXM. Got all your climate controls at the bottom here. Heated front seats. Got your phone controls right here. You can connect phones. Let it load, see who's been previously connected. Your navigation just conveniently right here. You can search, zoom in, zoom out. Oh, I'm back here. Obviously did something there. Got your music again, tow and haul mode. We're going to go into our vehicle settings real quick. Pretty easy to use, auto hold, off-road mode, and your nice backup camera. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is EE02218B, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.